So I got a new tool for working on our electrical as I prepare to connect our critical loads panel over here to our solar system. And that is a TopDon Infrared Camera. I just got it. It's on sale for $151 right now. And this thing's amazing. One of the things it can show you is which breakers are using power. And you can check them to see if they're doing anything odd. Now you'll notice one of them seems a little bit bright there. One of them's the furnace where I have it turned on to generate a lot of heat and draw a lot of power. The other thing is our surge protectors. So it starts to show you which breakers are drawing power. And it can be very small amounts of power to get it to show up. So I'll do my best here to show you what you see on the screen. That center dot is where it's going to take the temperature. And if I pull the trigger on the gun, it'll take a picture. And we'll have that reading saved. But even though it looks so much warmer than all the other breakers, it is currently only at 90 degrees or 87. So well within a safe operating mode. I'll take another picture, just pulling the trigger. And then the one other breaker that's just running the blowers is a teeny bit warmer, but it's literally only 4 degrees warmer. So you just point the dot in the center of the screen at what you want to take the temperature of. So it just shows you what's running in your panel. The other thing you can use it for is to look at your insulation and see if you've got any significant leaks. There's the heat vent. You can see it's blowing hot air out, so it's really high. But here we can look at the wall. This wall is actually pretty well insulated, but these windows, you know, you're going to lose some air. Looks like we're leaking up near the top. Now, the temperature outside is only about 60 degrees today, so the temperature differential isn't that great. But it definitely looks like maybe we got a little bit of insulation problem, which I happen to know for a fact because we were up in this drop ceiling right there. And that's where we need to run some electrical outside. We remove the insulation. So very interesting that it can show you electrical things. So we can see, oh, look, the nightlight even causes some heat. We can see where our insulation is lacking. And eventually we'll be able to see if our solar connections are generating any heat because the connections are not very solid. So more to come on this tool, but it's the TopDon Infrared Camera on sale on Amazon right now. I'll have affiliate links as always. What a great purchase. Here are some of the technical details. Resolution is only 128 by 128, but you can improve it to 240 by 240 by TISR. And it has various temperature range settings. And you can also set special settings for what you're working with. So you can set this to different settings. And you may have noticed that on mine I had it also showing not only the center spot but also the minimum temperature, which that dot moves around on the screen just looking for the minimum temperature. But you can also have the max temperature move around on the screen. And this is the full manual. I'll put all the pages at the end of the video and just pause it so that you can see them clearly and read them. And it does have a USB port to take the pictures off of it, but getting this battery cover off was a bit of a challenge. You'd have to use a screwdriver to kind of get underneath it here to pull it up. And I was able to get the pictures off of it, but I had to use the USB cable that came with it. I tried 2 different USB cables that I had, and the PC would not recognize. I'm using Windows 11, and it would not open the drive on the camera. But as soon as I used the USB cable that came with the camera, they showed up right away on Windows 11. And again, I will have the affiliate links in the description for this infrared camera by TopDon. But these are the manual pages with the specifications, you know, what its resolution is, and the basic instructions on how to use it. They are very basic. Didn't really even explain how to get the pictures off. So you kind of got to hack yourself, hack your way through it yourself. But overall, pretty good tool. I think it's definitely worth $151. It's on sale at the moment. I don't know how long the holiday sales will go for, so it might be back to $219 later. But for now, for $151, not a bad deal. So thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting the channel. Have a great day.